Here's a simple lace pattern called pointed arches. It's worked over a multiple of 10 stitches plus 1, and it's an 8-row repeat. So for this sample today, I've got 3 repeats. So 10 times 3 is 30 plus 1 is 31. So I've casted on 31 stitches for this sample. And here's the back. Let's get started. Row 1. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, SK2P. An SK2P is just a slip 1 knitwise, knit 2 together, and then pass that slipped stitch over. Knit 3, yarn over, and we'll repeat that. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, SK2P, knit 3, yarn over. Repeat that one last time. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, SK2P, knit 3, yarn over, and knit the last stitch. Row 2 in all wrong side rows will be a purl all the stitches, including the yarn overs. So since all the wrong side rows are going to be the same, I'm going to show row 2 and then we'll just skip ahead to the right side rows. Rows 3, 5, 7, and then of course row 8 will be our last row, which will be the same as row 2 because it's a wrong side row, and it'll be purl all the stitches including the yarn overs. Row 3. Knit 2, yarn over, knit 2, SK2P, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, and let's repeat that. Knit 2, yarn over, knit 2, SK2P, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1. One last time. Knit 2, yarn over, knit 2, SK2P, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, and that last stitch will be a knit stitch. Row 5, knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, SK2P, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2. We'll repeat that. Knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, SK2P, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2. Last time, knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, SK2P, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, and knit the last stitch. Row 7, knit 4, yarn over, SK2P, yarn over, knit 3. We'll repeat that. Knit 4, yarn over, SK2P, yarn over, knit 3. Last time, knit 4, yarn over, SK2P, yarn over, knit 3, and we'll knit that last stitch. And row 8, which is the last row, just like row 2 and all the other wrong side rows, will be purl all the stitches. And then from here you just keep repeating rows 1 through 8 to make this pattern.